Yeah, no funny 3 cat tiger reflections 5D diamond DIY shirt be public. And, if they control the check, they control the information released. They may not directly block, but don't think for a minute that this sort of power wouldn't provide indirect blocks by selectively releasing information. I see that the sentiment for wanting this is good, and I agree with it, but in no circumstances should a background check be a part of the political process. It just puts too much power to control the narrative in the hands of the party that control the checking agency. The Red Scares of the 1920s and 1950s should provide some insight into it. Funny 3 cat tiger reflections 5D diamond DIY shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. What could happen? As even the simple label of socialist or funny 3 cat tiger reflections 5D diamond DIY shirts. Communist on an opponent was in other products.